Good afternoon. My name is Keith Reno with the Reno team of Pacific Funding Mortgage Division, a direct lender here in the Santa Clarita Valley. And this mortgage update is brought to you by the Robert and Brian team at Realty Executives. Want to touch on interest rates because they have never ever been this low. We're at the historic low regardless of loan type, loan program. Never ever have they been this low. Interest rates right now on FHA and VA financing in the low to mid threes, on conventional financing more so the mid threes. The jumbo financing is a tick higher. Your ARMs are in the upper twos right now on a 5-year ARM, for an example. So interest rates are phenomenal. When it comes to home prices, and do confirm this with the Robert and Brian team, in most areas we're actually seeing home prices increase. So I think we have hit the bottom when it comes to home prices, and we are at the bottom historically pertaining to interest rates. Down payment, the down payment options have really opened up. We can now offer a conventional loan with as little as 3% down, with FHA financing where the guidelines are a little bit more lenient, 3.5% down for that FHA. So with minimum down payment options, interest rates at the historic low, home prices hitting bottom and now starting to tick up a bit, now is the time to buy. If you are in the need of assistance pertaining to closing costs or down payment, maybe you haven't yet had the opportunity to save the necessary funds or what you think might be the necessary funds to purchase a home, please do contact us. We do offer the CHF Platinum Grant. That is a grant that if you are obtaining an FHA loan to where we can offer 3% towards your closing costs or your down payment. So for an example, if we have that seller contributing towards your closing cost, we can offer the 3% grant to go towards your 3.5% down payment. So you being a buyer will need to come out of pocket a half of to about 1% of the purchase price. So very minimal amount out of pocket. Do contact the Robert and Brian team. They have information on this program, or always feel comfortable contacting myself. Typically the first step in buying real estate is obtaining loan pre-approval, and that's where I can help in showing you your options and going over closing costs, down payment, monthly payment, making sure you are an educated buyer here in this marketplace, and then teaming up with Robert and Brian to find the right home for you and your family. My direct line is 661-513-3118. The Robert and Brian team, they can be reached at 661-964-1760. And again, whether you're a first-time home buyer, looking to move up, purchasing an investment property, now is the time to buy. Thank you so much for spending time with us here today.